Guys, today I'm taking a look at this rather cool iPhone 15 Pro case from Torras. So stay tuned for something that's just a little bit different, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the UPRO case for the iPhone 15 Pro from Torras. Now, ordinarily, I'm not a phone case person. I usually like to leave my phone naked. But you know what, with phones getting so big this year, I reluctantly have changed out my beloved iPhone mini for a 15 Pro. So you know what? Yeah, a case was needed. Now, I purchased a mouse case as this seemed to be the best of a very large bunch. But, I mean, I kind of wished that I'd seen this UPRO case first, as this, in my opinion, is one of the nicest cases that I've seen. Now, before we get into it, Torras sent me this UPRO case to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. Now guys, open up the box and you've got a small card, which has some contact us and warranty activation info. It's also a kind of stand, so yeah, neat idea. So next up, we've got the phone case itself. Now I have to say, this feels pretty damn fine in the hand. It's like a non-slip matte finish. It's not rigid like most of the cases that you get nowadays. It's kind of like a hybrid with like a rigid back, but pliable sides. And you know what? I really like it. Now, these come in many different colors, right? But this one is in black with a kind of smoked clear back. And you know what? It's rather nice. Now, looking around the case, guys, and you've got covered buttons on both sides. You also have the MagSafe circle on the back. Yes, this is MagSafe certified, guys, unlike a lot of cases out there. Obviously, you've got your camera lip, which gives you 1.5 millimeters of protection, and you've got the overall screen lip that's about 1 millimeter. You also get 360-degree airbags. Yeah, airbags on the inside, which Torras call their air shock air cushion. And for the pièce de résistance, it has a hidden kickstand, which you can use either in landscape or portrait. So you know what guys, if you're filming yourself or watching movies, YouTube, TikTok, whatever, there is no need to hold the phone in your hands. And also guys, this stand adds no more bulk to the case. The case is just as slim as the mouse case, but in my opinion, it's, I don't know, it just feels so much better. It's got flat sides rather than like rounded sides, which I don't tend to like. And you know what? Yeah, you have to feel this to believe it, guys. Now, let's talk about price. Well, when you start looking at cases like the Apple silicon case that is around £49.99 and their fine woven case, which is around £59.99, and even the mouse case, which, you know, there are a lot of those, but they top out at around £60. This UPRO PStand case is a mere £25.99. And that is insane. In my opinion, this PStand case stands head and shoulders above all of those. With that glorious feel to it, I mean, I can't stop touching it, right? But with that glorious feel to it, the fact that it's protected by some air cushion tech, and Torras state that they have tested this to, 4,000 times, dropping it at 12 feet high, and it's got military grade impact resistance. And you got this handy kickstand, don't forget about that. It's not in your face, but it's there. In my opinion, it's worth every penny and worthy of protecting your expensive phone. Guys, I've got to say that even the buttons feel nice to press. So there you have it, guys. This UPRO case for the iPhone 15 Pro from Torras is absolutely, it's well worth it. I was actually thinking of doing a giveaway with this, but I'm sorry to say, guys, it's staying on my phone. So, hello Torras, bye-bye mouse. Guys, you got to get one, you won't be disappointed. I'll leave any product links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see any more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Torras for sending me this, quite frankly, impressive phone case to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.